Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a single language and the smallest real project you can ship. This gets you facing real problems immediately. Once done, you pair that language with Git so you track changes and recover fast. Make sure to use branches for features. You practice daily in focused blocks because short, repeated exposure builds fluency. This approach explains why shallow breadth slows you. Depth produces transferable patterns and speed. You now tackle the middle phase, solving real algorithmic and design problems within your project to create muscle memory. Once done, add testing so your changes are safe. Tests force clearer interfaces and reduce fear of refactor. Then, practice reading others' code and refactoring your own. This trains you to recognize patterns and trade-offs. Make sure to measure complexity and simplify. Learning to reduce cognitive load is the fastest route to speed and reliability. You finish by delivering a full feature end-to-end, so you experience deployment and real users. This closes the learning loop. Once deployed, monitor logs and simple metrics so problems surface early and iterate based on feedback. Make sure to prioritize fixes by impact. If things go wrong, reproduce the issue, run a Git bisect if needed, and add a regression test. This sequence turns failures into lasting improvements and keeps your confidence growing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.